Training for Success is a scheme for people who have a career idea in mind already. It is generated more around the practical areas of career, so things like electrician, hairdressing, some administrative roles, some engineering roles. And how it works basically is once you've chosen the area that you want to go into, you will normally spend 2 days a week in your training provider, and there are lots of training providers out there. The regional colleges is just one of the training providers, but there's a lot of more independent ones as well that are sort of smaller, because some people might feel a bit overwhelmed about coming to such big campuses as the regional colleges. What they do there is they study their vocational side, so they'll get their qualifications in that way, and 3 days a week then they're out on a work placement with an employer to get the practical skills that they need for the job area that they've chosen.
Also a very good option there. And in terms of what we were just talking about with GCSE Maths and English, does that impact on training for success?
It doesn't, because like we said, it's the same as the regional colleges. If you haven't achieved those qualifications already, you will be automatically enrolled in those within the training provider, whether it be the regional colleges or one of the more independent providers. And the good thing is that the kids get paid £40 a week to do this, and it's not means tested in any sort of way, so they get it regardless of parental or guardian income.
And who is eligible then for Training for Success?
Anyone who is 16 or 17 years old, or the age criteria changes if you have a disability or a particular barrier, so sometimes it can go right up to 22.